Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today with a Craft With Me project share for KOKOROSA Studios. If you saw my previous video where I unboxed a number of dies that I picked up from them, I did mention that after I made my purchase, KOKOROSA asked me if I would like to collaborate with them, and I thought that would be fun to do. So I am on with my first project share with some of the dies that I got from them. So this die set is called the Foldable Fruit Die Set, and it comes with a pomegranate, an apple, and a pineapple die. So those are cute. And what I made so far was this 3D pineapple, and this pineapple is actually six-sided, but I chose to leave the back flat because I think this would be cute on a package or on the front of a card, or maybe even punch a little hole in it and use it as a tag. And also it does fold flat if you want to put it away. So that's the first one I made. The second one I made is the pomegranate. And this one I did as an 8-sided figure. And it went together super easily. And you'll see here I have the seeds are in red, and I did ink around the edges because pomegranates are red on the outside most of the time. And I'm going to show you how I got those seeds to be red without coloring in each one of those little pieces there. So what we're going to do together is I'm going to put together the apple. And I'm doing the apple as an 8-sided, and what I'm going to do is just put together one piece of it, and then I'm going to put the whole thing together, but I will speed that process up. And then we'll just see the finished product at the end. So yeah, let me put the die aside. And what I have here is I cut 8 of the apples, and I'm going to give you a close-up and see if you can see there. There's actually a fold line in the middle. See that little fold line? Okay, so that's where we're going to be folding. And it didn't call for this in the well, there are no instructions, but I decided I wanted my seeds to be brown. So what I did was I just traced around one of the apples here and rough cut out brown apples. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue those to the back sides of the apples, and that will give me my brown seeds. Okay, so I also took some leaves from a package of leaves I have here, and I think this is Paper Studio, so they came from Hobby Lobby. And I just plucked 2 off and I twisted them together. And then I took some glitter brown cardstock and I made a couple of layers to make a stem. Now the die does come with a little leaf and stem there, but it's so tiny and fussy, I just thought that I would make my own. I thought that would add some more interest. So with that, I'm gonna get started here. So let me grab up my glue, and I am going to just add some glue to that. And on the back side of my apple piece, just going to tuck that on there. And we need that glue to dry. And if you'll see here on the other pieces, I do have some yellow in the middle, because you know apples, when you slice them, there's a little bit of yellow in the center along with the seeds. So what I did there was I took this craft ink pad, and this is by, who is this by? Sunshine. Says it's good for wood, fabric, and paper. My sister Lisa actually gave me a whole set of these. So I just took a little cotton ball, dipped it on there, and I'm just going to make a little smudge in the center. Okay, so that gives me the color that I want on there. Okay, also for apples, they are red around the outside, so a little bit later I am going to ink around the outside of these apple slices, but not right now. So at this point, I'm going to speed the camera up, I'm going to put this together, and we will check out the final product. So I'm going to fold that one last and give it a chance to let the glue dry. Okay, Crafty Peeps, I'm back. So you see how cute this little apple is? So like I said, I did do 8-sided. So I cut the little apple out 8 times. Then I took one of the apple slices, I put it on the brown cardstock, traced around it, and cut out 8 of those shapes and glued them to the back sides of the apple slices. That gave us our cute little seeds in the center there. Then I just took some distress ink and just distressed in the center of all of the apple slices, glued them all back to back, and then down in the center there's actually, you can see it here on the pomegranate, there's actually a little bitty of a hole right there. So I just put the hot glue down in there, tucked in my leaves and my stem, and there you have it. Oh, I also inked around the edges. So yeah, there's my cute little apple. So we got the pineapple, the pomegranate, and the apple. And I think these would be really fun to tuck in some Happy Mail, just like you'd put pom-poms or little frilly things inside just for added interest when you package up your Happy Mail or your swap packages. So these would be cute to add in or to put a little loop on and hang them off packages. This one here, I made it with the flat back so it can be stuck on a card or on a gift. So that's my little craft with me and tutorial on using the foldable fruit dies from KOKOROSA Studios. I hope you enjoyed it, and maybe you'll want to try these out yourself sometime. If you do, I do have a coupon code. It's Enis25. It will be on the screen here as well as in the description box below. And I will catch you all in the next crafty video. So we'll see you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.